All right, so the very essence of this lesson is to attend to some errors that some of you do get whilst you run this particular code that we do look at in just the previous lesson. Okay, so we come to agree that this function was to fetch the California housing data. Where it is creating the problem in the code that we have is this if block. It is unable to identify the path, and hence it's affecting the fetching of data from the file which is reposited online. Okay, so we are resolving this problem. Okay, to do that, that block of code has been replaced with this. It is the same code, but this is a simplified construct that works on majority of operating systems, which includes the Windows operating system. So I would leave a copy of this code in the description level, description button of the window of the video. So click on the description button and then copy and then paste this new code into your Jupyter notebook and then run it. Let me get the feedback if it is still working fine for you or it is not, and then we will resolve that from there. All right. Thanks so much.